Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis last week, so that is where these green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that's exactly what played out here today. Going into the day, 352 was that area of support, but with the price breaking down below it during the opening 30 minutes, you can see for the most part the price just kind of consolidated right there below it. Final 30 minutes, price tried to get up above it and actually did get above it for a split second, but then back down it went. So the price is still below that red line there. So again, in the very near term, that key level of resistance is now at $3.52. If the price can push up above there, then the next two levels of resistance you would want to keep on is first that 50-period moving average, the purple line, and then the next, the 200-period moving average, which is that pink line there. And you can see big old track record right there of the price knocking down, any sort of advances. But one hurdle at a time. That first key hurdle is at 352. Now, what about levels of support? Mapped out this one and talked about in previous videos, but that is down here at 345, which is this green line right there. So 345, that next level that you would want to watch. And just in case something crazy happens, want to get at least one more mapped out. And 345 is important because if that level doesn't hold out, then there's no such thing as a guarantee. So I'm not saying the price is guaranteed to head down to the 335 mark, but it would not be shocking at all because after the 345, 335 is actually a very, very historic level. You can see back through the history of things on 3 separate occasions. The price try to push down through there. So you know that a lot of people are going to be watching and saying, even from a trading perspective, it might be worth buying down there because you got a good risk versus reward, very small risk compared to the potential bounce upside, which is it's happened several times. However, to be fair, I'm also getting way far ahead of ourselves because as of right now, the price ain't even close to breaking down below 345. But nonetheless, 345 and 335 are going to be those two next couple levels of support going forward. The week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.